So guys, nanonood tayo ng game ng Oilers. Ayan. So, ayan kung nakikita nyo guys. Ayan. So, yun. So, ito guys, pag nanonood kayo, may mga VIP dito. So, itong seats na to, mga VIP ang mga yan. Ayan. So, yun. Tapos hanggang dun guys, ayan, VIP yan. So, pati doon pa guys. Ayan. Yun. Can I have a beer? Yeah. Just two. Do you have a Molson? Yeah, yes please. So, nag-order kami ng beer. Ayan. So, ayun. So, naglalaro ng All Kings yan guys. All Kings. So, hindi pa yan order sa. Ha? Two. So, yan.
Saskatoon penalty to number 47, Tristan Doyle. 2 minutes for tripping. Time penalty 10 minutes, 32 seconds. The Blades at Doyle, 2 for tripping at 10:32.
Talaga nilagyan nila ng net, ha?
Nintay ko pa yung sa glow na ticket. Bigyan niya.
So guys, ready na yung dessert. So kumukuha kami ng dessert ngayon guys. So may cheesecake sila dito, tapos brownie, ayan, tapos iba't ibang klase. There's a lot of things. So everything is just like pika-pika, you know. So yeah, we're gonna try to get some donuts. There you go. And then right there is fruit. There you go. So now guys, we're here at the they call it theater box. And everything here, the food is for free. Yeah.